Fall by the word. Oh, sure.
You guys can check.
Ulan,
He's ready.
Hey, Eli.
Okay.
Eli ya.
Let's have play.
Ayah.
I don't like this. Ah! I don't even get ruined. I'm just gonna. One only dog.
Tak tahu. Mak saya tak kenal kulit ni. Dia selalu ni. Ada terus kalau dia camping dan relax. Dia salah. Dia dengan perempuan ni.
Oh my god. This is like so hard.
Macam saya
I got it correct. I tapped, dab, and one go in. My cat is gonna play too. You want the cat play? This game is stupid. Sit down. The customer wants to see you. Alright, guys. Oh, we're gonna play this game. I hate this. It's really hard, you know. People say it's so easy, but I don't get it. My reaction to Flappy Bird is so unhappy. Okay, just gonna see how my reaction is, because just now I had a lot of reaction. It was so bad. I say, what is it? The game is okay. I only got one. That's my only best score here. Duh. Damn it. Can you do this? I tap, double tap, and dropped by itself. I hate this. Go watch Superwoman if you want some more. Flappy Bird. I hate you! Oh, I never know this game is like that. I'm gonna download another one. And another one, you guys said it too, the Flappy Neon. I don't know, no. Flappy Neon, Flappy Neon. Flappy Neon. You said it's really easy. I'm gonna trust you guys. Because I know you guys. Alright. Let's see what is better than Flappy Bird, or Flappy Bird is better than. There we go. I'm gonna just gonna put you guys right there. And I'm gonna use this charger to play. Charger. It's not charging. Damn it, I'm making my. Is it not charging? Is it blur or something? Perhaps good. Alright, now let's do Flappy Neon. You can only see my stomach. This looks really happy. Nope. Alright. Let's do it. I want to go to evil. I don't want to go to evil. It looks really creepy. Look at the evil side. And that side. So creepy. I want green. Do it. That one is. Okay, this is exactly the same. Every time I lose, I have this stupid thing. Gosh. I'm not good at this. It might be this is good, better, or bad. Perhaps, oh my gosh. Oh, we're gonna let you first. When my seat. Okay, I think this is more better because like the tags in fact actually go higher than that. Oh, I forgot the fruits! Oh, what are you doing? One of you asked me to do the hardest game ever. I'll do that next week for Super Friday because today's Thursday. Super Friday, I'll do the hardest game ever. And Temple Run. I'm gonna go Devil. I'm gonna go Devil because I'm really hungry. Devil. Ooh, the Devil side is so. Ooh, Devil is so easy. Oh my gosh, I got 2. Ah, Devil is so easy. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Now let's go to the new one. See what it is. Yeah, the Devil is probably easy. It's really easy. I can get past just so easily. So the Devil is very easy, and I really like the Flappy Neon more better because there's 2 choices. The Devil go to the Angel side, but there's no Devil, there's no Angel. My mother say both are just good angels. They just call it that. So easy. See, I can get at least 1. Duh. I'm really angry though. I love it. Except sometime I don't know. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot much. So if you guys want me to try Temple Run or either hardest game ever, comment down below. So a lot of you wanted me to try Temple Run 1 and the hardest game ever. So I'll choose beside that with you guys. I'll check with my friends. So bye.